Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you an absolutely beautiful 1955 Chevrolet 3100 Cameo Carrier Pickup. These pickup trucks are designated as the world's first sports truck. They were made from 1955 to 1958. Only about 10,000 were produced, which makes it very rare. This has got to be one of the best examples on the planet. It is fully restored. It's won multiple AACA awards. It's just an absolute jewel from top to bottom. It sports the original color combination, which was only available in 1955, the white with the red. The exterior, interior, engine compartment, undercarriage, extremely detailed. It's got great history. Only about 500 miles since the restoration. You got to check it out on our website for a complete description with tons of photos, msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start the truck, let you listen to how beautiful it runs. It runs absolutely magnificent.